Hello students, welcome to the class of standard 5 subject maths. In the previous video lecture, we studied up to page number 56 and I hope you might have completed up to this page in your maths fair notebook. And today we are going to continue our discussion on this chapter with page number 57. So let's continue with the page number 57. Here topic is patterns in parts. And you can see here grids B, C and D. Question is make different patterns by coloring some squares in the grids B, C, D. This B, C, D. What part of the grid did you color? And what part of the grid remained white? Right. So for us one example is given. Here is also one grid is of 16 square centimeter, means 16 square. And here how many parts are colored? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 parts are colored, blue color. And 8 parts are remained white. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here written 8, 16 blue and 8, 16 white. So we can do the same in grid B, C and D as given in this example. So let's do. So here is the solution of the question patterns in parts. So in grid B I have colored 8 parts red and 8 parts white. That means half red and half white. Also you can write 8/16 red and 8/16 white. And now in grid C I have colored 8 part green and 8 part white. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 part green and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 parts remain white. So I can write half green and half white. And grid D I have colored 8 parts grey and 8 parts remain white. So I can write half grey and half white. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 grey and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 white. I can also write 8/16 grey and 8/16 white. Now here question number 2. Look at grid A again. Is the grid colored? So let's look at this grid A. And here is the grid colored half blue, half white? Yes, because it is written in the question 8/16 blue, 8/16 white. That means here 8 2s are 16. That means 1 upon 2 and 8 2s are 16. That means 1 upon 2. So this is correct because here both parts are same. 1 upon 2, here also 1 upon 2. And then B 2/4 blue, 2/4 white. This is also correct because here also this both parts are same. That means half blue and half white. Here 3 upon 8 blue, 5 upon 8 white. That means 3/8 blue, 5/8 white. This is not correct. This is wrong because here this both part are not equal, not half. Here 3 part and here 5 part. So this is wrong. And this is 4 upon 8 blue, 4 upon 8 white. That means 4/8 blue, 4/8 white. Is this correct? Yes, this is correct because here also we can write half blue and half white because 4 2s are 8 and here also we can write 4 2s are 8. That means half blue, 1 upon 2 blue and 1 upon 2 white. Now next question is draw grids of 16 squares and make patterns with. As in the previous question the grid was given of 16 square. Here we have to draw grids of 16 squares and make patterns with. So here first one A, 2 8 red, half yellow, 1/4 green. So here what part you have to color with which color is given in the question. And in the B also 3/16 blue, 5/16 red, half yellow. Means what part you have to color with which color is given in the question. So let's do. So here 2/8 red, that means 2/8 into 16 is equal to, here 8 2s are 16, so we can write 2 2s are 4, so 4 red, so 1 2 3 4 red. Then half yellow means 1/2 into 16, so 2 8s are 16, that means 8 yellow, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 yellow. And then 1/4 green, that means 1/4 into 16, so 4 4s are 16 is equal to 4 green, so 1 2 3 4 green. And now in the second grid, that is answer number B, this is answer number A. So in answer number B, 3/16 blue, it is directly given that out of 16 part, how many parts you have to color blue? 3 part you have to color blue. So here 1 2 3 part I have colored blue, and here also directly said out of 16 part how many parts you have to color red? 5. So 1 2 3 4 5 red. So I have colored 5 red color. And half yellow, here out of 16 part not given but half said, so we have to again here do calculation. Half into 16 means 1/2 into 16 is equal to, here 2 in half into 16, so 2 8s are 16, that means 8 yellow. So here I have color 8 part yellow. You can do on your own other pattern also. Here this just I have given for your reference only. So let's move on to the next page, page number 58. Here topic is Ramu's vegetable field. Ramu's vegetable field has 9 equal parts. As you can see in this picture, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, 9 equal parts. What vegetable does he grow? So he grows potatoes, brinjals, tomatoes, chilies and spinach. Below this picture some questions are given. Here first question is, which vegetable grows in the biggest part of the field and what part? For this we have to see this image. Chili only one part, potato 1 and 2 part, brinjal 2 part, spinach 1 part and tomato 1 2 3 part. Answer is tomatoes grow in the biggest part of his field. It grows in the 1/3 part of his field. Question number 2. On what part of the field does he grow potatoes? So again see the picture. In 2 parts he grows potatoes. So we can write he grows potatoes on 2/9 means 2/9 part of the field. 2 part and total parts are 9. So we can write 2/9 part. He grows potatoes on 2/9 part of the field. Then question number 3. What part of the field is used to grow spinach? What part is used for brinjal? So look at the picture. So only one part, that means 1/9 part. 1/9 part is used for growing spinach, and this 2/9 part is used for brinjal. Now you write some question by looking at this picture. So can you make some question? Which vegetable is left for question? Chili. So we can write what part of the field is used for growing chilies. Then which 2 vegetables are grown on equal part of the field? Potatoes and brinjals. Now Ramu wanted to give this vegetable to his friends. He gave Abu Bakr 1/5 of these tomatoes and 1/3 of the potatoes. Srija got 2/5 of the tomatoes and 3/6 of the potatoes. Now Nancy got the rest of these vegetables. Circle Abu Baker's share in blue and circle Srija's share in yellow. So let's calculate the share of Abu Baker, Srija and Nancy in tomatoes. So here number of tomatoes is equal to 20, as you can count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So tomatoes are 20. And now Abu Baker's share of tomatoes is here in the question written, this he gave Abu Baker 1/5 of this tomato. So Abu Baker's share of tomato is equal to 1/5 of 20. 1/5 of 20. So here 1/5 into 20. 20 ones are 20. 20 and divide by 5. If we divide 20 by 5, we will get 4. So Abu Baker's shares of tomatoes is equal to 4. Now Srija's share of tomatoes. Here Srija's share of tomato is given, that is Srija got 2/5 of the tomatoes. So Srija's share of tomatoes is equal to 2/5 of 20. So 2/5 into 20. So we multiply 20 into 2, we will get 40, and then divide by 5. 40 divided by 5, we will get 8. So Srija's share of tomato is equal to 8. And now what is the share of Nancy's? Now Nancy got the rest of this vegetable. That means remaining part she got. So total number of tomatoes is equal to 20 minus share of Abu Baker's and share of Srija's. So 20 minus this 4 and this plus 8. So 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. So 20 minus 12 is equal to 8 is the share of tomatoes of Nancy's. Now let's calculate the share of potatoes of Abu Baker, Srija's and Nancy's. Total number of potatoes is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So number of potatoes is equal to 18. Now in the question said Ramu gave Abu Baker 1/3 of the potatoes and Srija got 3/6 of the potatoes. So here we can calculate Abu Baker's share of potatoes is equal to 1/3 of 18. So 1/3 into 18. So 18 ones are 18 and divide by 3. So 3 6 are 18. If we divide 18 by 3, we will get 6. So Abu Baker's share of potatoes is equal to 6. And now Srija's share of potatoes is equal to 3/6 of 18. So 3/6 into 18. So 18 multiply by 3. So 18 3s are 54 and divide by 6. So 6 9s are 54. If we divide 54 by 6, we will get 9 as quotient. So 9 is the share of potatoes. And now Nancy got the rest of these vegetables. So rest of the vegetable, that remaining part. So total number of potatoes 18 minus the share of Abu Baker's and share of Srija. So share of Abu Baker is 6 and share of Srija is 9. So 6 plus 9. 18 minus 6 plus 9 is equal to 3. That means 18 minus 15. So 3. So Nancy's share is 3. So Nancy got here 3 potatoes and 8 tomatoes.
Thank you.